I'm not going to drag the head into extension. I'm not going to smash them through a lateral translation. It is side bending, rotation, and then we're going to use little micro barriers here to find the barrier. We're then going to back off. We'll then take a big breath in, breathe out, back into the micro barriers, and rotational thrust over and through. Back through. Place this hand under, step around. Bring my hand into place, a little bit of side bending and a little bit of rotation. Here, back off, big breath in. As he breathes out, relax the head and neck, micro barriers, thrust, and then back into